Good morning, guys. Okay, I'm out here on Douglas Lake this morning. I'm trying to get some of these crappie, if I can get them to bite, if I can find them. It's hard to find in the summertime, but it's a beautiful place. It's a new place on Douglas that I'm fishing that I've never fished before, but we're going to work this little rock bank right here. And we're going to see if we can't get us a crappie to bite. Preferably the chub thumper or the speck ticklers. Maybe even a pea weevil. But stay with me.